It's really good.
You said you needed a bag for your cocaine. Is that what you need?
I need something to hide my. This is fiber, okay?
Yeah,
Fiber
it's cocaine. We all know what it is.
Bring fiber on my vacation. We're not talking about why.
Okay, welcome back to the vlog, everyone. Today is day 4, and today I'm going to meet up with one of my friends. And
Hashtag friends. Come on.
I have
Okay,
friends.
We're going.
I gotta shave, and it's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Another beautiful morning in paradise, boys. Let's go. Today we got some omelet. Same thing as yesterday. Goat cheese, peppers, mushrooms, a little bit of jalapeno. And then we got some fruits and then a nice green juicy juice. I'm late for the thing, so I gotta eat quick. Like in the olden days, now I gotta try and find Reed without a phone because I don't have a plan. I need internet to use it. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Hey, look at it! No way!
Especially when entering restaurants.
No way. This stuff's cool. Oh yeah, dude. Buffet. Chicken and moladas. Mango. More of that. Let's go. Whoa. He's gone. Flamingo. Dude, look at that big boy. Dude, look at that nose wobble. Yo, I wanna.
Looks like we do have a name.
Yo. Big boy heater.
That's a tapir.
A tapir? Don't know what that is. I'm just gonna call it an anteater. A papier?
I don't know the difference.
A piper? Got suction cups. Taking it. What the heck? Oh, they are jellyfish.
Piece of coral clothing.
This man's stuck.
Man on the back of his skin. No, no.
There's a hermit crab right here.
There's one over there doing the same thing.
I don't know if he's gonna move.
Oh.
You can see his little feet. Oh, there he goes.
Alright, let's see.
Oh, don't move. Well, I found the sharks.
He's like, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and I'm
That's
gonna get
the
the
food
little
for
yellow
the
guy,
sharks.
okay? Alright, so I get the yellow guy.
Oh my dude, those things are huge. Stingray. See you later. Got the pro Mexican sinks here, dude. You have to click this for it to work. See, when you wash your hands, you gotta do that. The water just runs under your feet. Yeah, dude. Yo, you know my man Nemo? There he goes, dude. He doesn't want me to get close to him. Come on. I know you want to get close.
Set me up, bro.
Set me up, yo. Sick.
I don't know if that's gonna work. Look at them all.
So many, dude. There's a water slide? Look, there's a water slide. Wow. Yo. Big boy turtle.
The green.
It's not a petting zoo. I kind of want to pet him now.
Bro, this guy's, he's just going in, dude. He's getting like second base with the Pelican.
Pelican.
You wanna try it? Oh my, dude, he's shaking. Doesn't look very happy. It works though. Oh my, he's wobbling away. Ah, my foot. There's Reed. There's me. Pretty beautiful. Getting a quick snack. On the Playa del Snack. Wow. chicken fingers. Thank you. Whoa.
I'm not gonna eat this right.
Oh my. Oh, juicy. Some Mayan ruins, of course. It's like very dark in here, boys. Walking through the caves.
Oh.
This is the swim through the caves, I guess.
Oh, this would have been so awesome.
Spencer? Didn't have his daily donut. Oh, reads ahead. We gotta move. La tortilla. Cats. This is their cage. Oh, I see, it's that one. I know, by each other. Because they're gonna eat each other. He's tasting. This guy wants it. He's going to sleep.
Oh.
Green ones. Hello.
Oh, buddy. I can see your bite.
And some eggs. 38.2. Got like the egg area for all the eggs. This is pretty cool. And then damn. Whoa. Whoa. That is cool. Whoa. That was cool. He's got like, oh, they all have whoa. That thing just, they all have tags. Hello, sir. Smells like balls. Whoa. Pretty cool. We're walking. Beautiful. Pelican. Yep.
Go back, I want to be monkey.
Where are the monkeys?
Oh man, I wish I had my camera.
He's posing.
Look at him posing like that. What's he doing?
Whoa.
Oh, he knows.
He's tight on his tail. Beautiful once again. Getting a nice relax on right here. In front of the beautiful ocean. a nice,
to see you fix your
a nice
hair.
background, boys. What is it? Mango margarita? Yes, sir.
Minus the alcohol.
Whoa, let's not talk about it.
He's leaving you.
No, where are you going? No, that was our thing. Got some food. Little crabby. Something on top. I think there's Greek yogurt and I think salad's coming, but I don't know. The last thing we had was plantain, not meatball. Salad was dropped in. Some bread, coconut with lobster, and sauce. I don't even know. Looks good. seasonal popsicle with some really thin fruit. Fancy food is very small. Beef brisket, chocolate sauce, something else. Food was great, boys. There's barely anything, so we're going to the buffet to eat more, but...
Just him. He's a pig.
No. That looks good. We got a lot of stuff here today. It's actually new stuff. Beef with some sort of pepper sauce, pork loin, stuffed chicken, mussels with butter sauce. I think this is grouper. They like grouper here. New stuff, boys. Got a fish grill here. My stuff is on there. Looking good. And this is, of course, the pasta station. Back in a minute. Shrimp. Got some tuna, actually, which looks not like tuna. And some squid. Here we got some beef. We got some ceviche, and we got some salad here. This is my second dinner tonight, so let's enjoy. Alright, guys. Hope I make you guys yawn. Today was a good day. This woman is on some crack.
On crack.
But it was a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think we're going to the same park, actually, so we'll see. Love you guys. Peace out.